Hey, my name is Gaille. I'm a Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. Today's video will be about one of my templates. It is Google and Facebook ads overview template. Really simple. Yeah, it's even not expensive. Let's check what do we have here. It's something that I used many times for many clients, I think from the beginning of my work with Looker Studio. I took as a base, Looker Studio template that you can see if you go here, for example, explore new templates. Here you can find some free templates from Looker Studio. Actually, yeah, a lot of them are really nice. And here you have Google Ads template. I saw this template many times, and I saw how people like this template, and I saw a lot of agencies who use this. So I took this one as a base and updated it. And this is it. This is it. But how did I update it? I added Facebook ads data. And here we can have total impressions from Google Ads and Facebook ads, separate Google, Facebook, clicks, same logic, total split by Google and Facebook. If you use not Google Ads, but Microsoft ads or whatever, LinkedIn ads, you can change it. You can change it here. So this is this template for paid ad traffic for two systems. CTR, then we have some of this data in dynamic, then we have cost per click, cost per mile, conversions, cost per lead, and conversion rate. So this template is super basic. And then we have some campaign breakdown for Google and for Facebook with some charts, some basic data. So this report is really basic. The complexity here only to merge Facebook and Google Ads data. What did I use here? Let's see. Go to resources, manage data sources, and here we have two data sources, both of them Google Sheets. So we can go back and click to open these Google Sheets to see what do we have in the Google Sheets. I know that Looker Studio has blended data, but Facebook and Google have different fields names. So actually this matching the blending data inside of Looker Studio doesn't work really well when you use different platforms. So I found much easier to merge data in Google Sheets and pull data into Google Sheets, transform it here, and then connect to Looker Studio. So if you buy this template from my store, you will have this Google Sheets document and Looker Studio document. In Google Sheets, you have help table with information what should you do to start to use this template. Basically, if you see yellow cells, just pull your real data to this cell instead of random data that I randomly generate for the template. How do you get this data? If you don't need this dashboard frequently, you just need it once per month, for example, you just open Google Ads and Facebook Ads account and create dashboard that you need and do export manually. If you use a report like weekly or daily basis, of course, I recommend you to use some extensions. For example, I use Supermetrics. I use Power My Analytics, not from this account, but I really like to use Power My Analytics connector. So there are a lot of paid add-ons, paid extensions. You just click extensions, get add-on. For example, type Google Ads. And you can see Google Ads has even free connector from Google Ads. I can tell you that I used it. I didn't find it super nice, so I prefer to use paid connectors instead of this. But if you don't need like complex data, you can use it. So you have different connector providers. You can choose, test different one. I prefer Supermetrics and Power Analytics, as I said. So Google Ads, then Facebook Ads data by day, then we pull data from Google Ads by campaign and Facebook Ads by campaign. Then we have some transformations tab with formulas. You don't need to do anything here, just replace yellow cells with your real project data. In Facebook Ads, campaign with some formulas, and here we have two tabs that I connected to Looker Studio. This is blue tab with LS, that means Looker Studio. So these tabs we connect to our dashboard that allows us to show all this data. And actually, you see it's not a lot, it's just impressions, clicks, cost, conversions. So some fixed data, because all metrics like CTR, cost per mile, cost per click, some cost per lead conversion rate, some metrics that we have to calculate. We calculate on the Looker Studio base, on the Looker Studio level, because we have to aggregate data first before we start to calculate it, to make this data accurate. If you have still questions why, I have a special video about it, how to calculate correctly CTR, cost per lead, ROAS, etc. There I explain it in details. I think that is it about this dashboard. Again, it's super easy. You can even replicate it by yourself if you have time, or you can buy my template and use prepared tables and dashboards for your just update it for your company, for your needs. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have questions about template, or maybe you want me to create a new template that you cannot find still and it's difficult for yourself to create it. So just let me know in the comments. Hope you like this video and see you soon.